Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with your boy DYangBass. Good morning, wherever you are. I do have here in my hand, right off the bat, okay, we have an Amazon gift card, $100 Amazon gift card. If you want to win, make sure you guys go to my Facebook page, which is DYangBass. Like that page. I'll have a post for you guys to like, but make sure you guys go over to NSUDA on Facebook. They are the sponsor of this video. Let me turn around right here. They are a dance studio. They serve the community. They teach dance, Hmong cultural dance. So make sure you guys go check it out. It's on Facebook. All the link will be down below. Make sure you do that, and that will help you enter for a Amazon giveaway. The giveaway doesn't end here. The winner will get to fish with me, your boy DYangBass. We will be going out to do some bass fishing. Try to figure something out by sometime in June or July. It doesn't matter, August. It doesn't matter. If you're here in Wisconsin, cool. We can fish together. I'm not rich enough to fly anybody out of state. So if you're out of state, then you just win this, and maybe I'll think of something and get it to you. But so with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We are gonna go out and do some bass fishing. I'm waiting for my brothers to come by right now. Make sure you guys check out the links down below. It will be on Facebook, DYangBass, and HQDA. So don't miss that, and I'll see you guys out of the water. Nice one. Nice bass.
He's pulling hard, both of them. Come over here.
Yep, over here. That's a big one, dude.
Oh, there you go. Hell yeah.
Look at the head on that thing.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. Look at that, guys. You saw he ran towards the boat. I couldn't even control him. Dude's heavy as heck. Look, see, they're late on the season. You see that?
Yep.
Jeez, bro. Alright, guys. Tall as heck. Going back. Get your release. Eat it. Bring it on, Win. Give us a big bass. Whoa, got him right away, bro. What the heck? It's a pike.
Pike, huh?
Yep, pike, dude. Did you see that? I just fished over and he grabbed it. Yeah. I got it. Bro, I just threw it in there. What the hell? That's funny as heck, dude. And he just like nicked at it too. Yeah, I just got it every time, bro.
Now you gotta retry it again.
Yep. There should be a bass right behind us. I'm gonna stay out here. I just did it. They're probably not over. Got him. I was gonna say they're probably not over here. It's a walleye, dude.
It's a walleye.
Yeah, look. It's a keeper. It's a keeper walleye, dude. You freaking crushed it inside, if you guys are wondering. I was gonna say they're probably not over here, yo. Oh, just shy 18, bro. Relax. I'm gonna let you go. It's a stockfish. 18 exact, but we're gonna let it go. What the hell is that walleye doing? 70-degree water, bro. Right? Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, water temp over here is 67. Big difference. Huh?
I got a fat ass boy.
Bro, I had a fish on. Yeah, got him. Nope, never mind. He's just a runner, bro. Thought he was huge, bro. Still need the net. Bro, look at him. He's scarred up as heck. It's still a good fish, yeah. Whoa, dude. First pitch. Not even on a tree, outside of it. I'm like, I had a fish on. My pentagis was gone. I just threw it back in there without a pentagis and he took it. I'm like, this dude is not coming out of the freaking water. Chow, look at him.
Ooh.
Bro, he got chewed up by something.
Yeah, something bit it.
A crane. Yeah, no, or a crane pecked at him. Yeah.
I think it's a turtle.
Could be, yep. Guys, check that out. You guys saw that. And dude just like straight railed me, man. Look at that. These fish are beat up to the max, bro. I did kind of get hungry, you know. Looking like sushi to me, but catch and release. Bro, I pitched it in there. I'm like, why is there weight? And then I raised it out. Nothing was on there. I'm like, okay, weird. Threw back in there. Boom! My dude was not going.
Some people, they really take the time to dissect the box.
Oh, yeah.
They'll go to every single corner. I'm like,
Yeah, I would too, but when you're in the back of the boat, it's kind of hard to dissect with the second person. One person, you nose in, you can do it, but I feel bad putting you in that situation, so I don't do it. I've learned, man, trust me. Like right now, if I were to dissect, I'll go right in here, but then look, you're in the back. You can't go in anymore. So I just stay on the outside. It's only fair, you know, to stay out so everybody can fish it. I know guys that done that to me. I'm like, why did I come, bro? I can't even cast. I'm just in the back. You know, so I'd rather just stay out. So we both just hit up like all the angles from the outside. Yeah, usually my easy out. You just go inside. By inside, you don't go new, huh? It's fair, huh? They call it boxing. Yeah, they just box you out. You don't get to cast at all. So I'd rather just stay open and just fish. If it's wide enough, then we'll go in. But if it's not, like, no, I'm not gonna go in. Got him, big one. That's a big one, dude. Right. That's a giant. Right. See, there you go. What I call? No, it's a nice one, dude. Yo. Got him. Hey, there you go. Yeah, he picked up the first time. Yeah, dude, yeah. Yep. Oh, no, it's not. He was in the weeds, that's why. Just a runner, dude. Look at him. Just a fatty. He was in the weeds, so he felt big. Dude, look how fat he is.
oh, these fish are fat, dude.
They're feeding. Yeah, I hate them when they go in the weeds like that and they feel big as heck.